Specs. Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, for Specs, my favorite time of the month. And we have a spectacular PC to give away. So, we had a Mona Lisa in the works. However, two activists decided to deface the Mona Lisa by throwing soup at it. Now, they managed to deface a monumental work of art done by a person who lived in an age where global warming didn't even exist. Now, these so-called activists have made a huge ironic mistake. By using soup, they honor Andy Warhol. Andy Warhol lived in an era and owned a Rolls Royce that used 30 litres per 100 kilometers. They honored a man that owned a vehicle that sucked an immense amount of fuel. And there's the irony of that. Anyways, over to the specs. This bad boy is a power hungry and it features a 16-core CPU. It's going to chug a lot of juice, but that's the way we like it, isn't it? The standard 4TB SSD, 64 gigs of RAM, clocked up to 6000 RPM, yeah, and a 4070 Ti that looks absolutely spectacular in this case.